Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a car cleaning product called Turbo Shine Nexa. You've probably seen ads for it online claiming it's a super quick and easy way to clean your car. No water needed. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and it's supposed to remove dirt, mud, bird droppings, and even stubborn stains instantly. It also promises to add a diamond-like shine and protective coating that lasts for months. Sounds too good to be true, right? Turbo Shine Nexa uses something called nanotechnology, which they claim helps protect your car's surface from things like water spots, oxidation, and surface aging. It's advertised as a 3-in-1 formula that can clean, polish, and even fix light scratches, all without needing to rinse. On paper, it sounds like a total game changer. But let's talk about what real customers are saying. You can find this product on sites like Amazon and Walmart, and while there are quite a few positive reviews, the overall feedback is mixed. Some users say it works great, brings out a nice shine, and is super easy to use. But others have a very different experience. A number of people say it doesn't live up to the hype. One reviewer said it left a sticky film on their black SUV, while another called it a gimmick, comparing it to using Windex. Some claimed it didn't shine or protect at all, and even left streaks. There are also complaints that the product is watered down and doesn't go far, barely enough to cover one small car, let alone a truck or SUV. Others didn't even receive the towels and sponges promised in the ad. So, is Turbo Shine Nexa legit or a scam? It's not a total scam. It does get delivered and some people like it. But the results seem to vary a lot, and the product definitely doesn't work like the ads show for everyone. Try with caution and don't expect miracles.